the Ultimate Monkey Family Special New Friends video. In this episode, we will make a lot of new friends, a lot of new pets, and one new monkey in this video, which means new family members will approach in the monkey family today. Bye! Monkey family! Monkey family! Monkey family always having fun, do. Even though you're different, you can still play with everyone. Like when we go to a movie theater, I eat my popcorn, another one plays with it. Even though we're different, we're still the same. Excuse me, that doesn't make sense, but even though we're different, inside we're not so different. Inside the grand finish. Hi everyone. Yeah, that was a while. What do you mean that was a while? Well, I mean that... Okay, can I finish your sentence? Yeah, sure. Well, the grand opening was pretty good with all that sun and stuff. But now we're all exhausted. Psst! Wah! Spony, what is wrong with you? You almost combined me again. Aw, sorry, I was just playing around. Okay, whatever. He's smaller than all of us. Yeah, that is true. Now, if I keep talking, let me just say that I can... Ah! Dun, 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 dun. That's mine's still baby. Hi, we're orphan from Animal School. We also baby. We are orphan too. There's my sister Cat. And I'm Chip. Yeah, we get it. Now could you go home? We don't have a home. Right, Mom? Right, Cat? No! And we're selling, well, treats so we can have a better future. This guy loves treats. Treats! You bet. Here. Those still good. I guess it's time for us to go back where we belong. No. You're right, we don't have a home. We could adopt you. Huh? But how? This is just an animal family. Oh, we're the monkey family. These guys are called pets that are not monkeys. But they're not pets. They're still part of our family. You can be a monkey if you want. Meow. And you could be a pet. She's on the screen. That would be terrific. Right, Cat? Meow. And it will be perfect for all of us. Completely normal.
Has anybody seen Coconut?
Oh, actually, no. Sorry, guys.
Found a big coconut.
Come on, let's go look. Episode 2, The Gold Bottle. So great now that I'm in the family. What is that? Cat, baby Zori.
What is that? It
know.
looks so shiny.
Yeah, ever since I feel like ever since our mom had to go on vacation and our dad stayed with us, weird things has been happening to us. Well, yeah. Diddy, do you know what that is? That's called gold.
Oh yeah, gold is shiny.
What is gold? It's a really rare and shiny metal. It's very hard to find.
Really? We just found one.
You're right. I'm gonna take it home. Episode 3. This strange walker. Hi everyone. As I was saying, hello everyone. Okay, would we stop the What is that weird animal that keeps interrupting the show?
Oh,
That's a pangolin. A pangowa.
meow meow.
Ow, he's scaly.
Yeah, Gary. We should name him that.
Yeah, let's name him Scaly. Now let's ride. Okay, calm down, mister. Wah! Hey, that's the gas. Okay, can you stop that? He could be a pet in the monkey family.
Meow meow.
Yeah, right. That could have been better. Episode. Is this the gold one? No. Episode 4. Special. Hi everyone, this will be the longest episode ever. And our fans look so bored. Yeah, you're talking. You've got to make them have fun.
Meow meow.
Well, I know a lot about fun. Huh. At least we're going to get treats later today.
Tweet? Yay!
The story about this one is they don't realize that when he talks about treats, that's what makes them happy. So these guys are trying to make them happy, but they realize that this guy's making them happy by talking about treats. What are you doing? Hey look, our fans like us. How about this? treats. Bonnie, why do you look like a cookie? Cookies are...
Tweets.
No, I'm a rabbit. Me no tweet.
Yay.
Hey, maybe we could do that song that they like from the Valentine's one. Valentine's Day is one of my favorite holidays too.
Mine too. About the tweets?
No, because it's filled with love. It's Loving Day. It's Loving Day.
And I'm so excited about the tweets we're getting.
And it's all about Valentine's Day. Delivering love.
And tweets.
That's what this holiday is for.
And tweets, right?
Do.
Delivering love.
That's what this day is about. But you don't get treats because it's not really Valentine's Day. But today, okay, what are you doing?
Pushing.
Today, Purple Monkey Grapes.
We'll get tweets.
No, today your treat is that we've got a whole bunch of new guests in the monkey family.
And tweets.
Episode number 5. Special.
That's
The staircase.
That other one was special.
I know there are a whole bunch of specials in this one because this one is a special episode. So there are a whole bunch of episodes. Okay. What are you doing?
Pushing.
If we had stairs, then you wouldn't have to push. She could just walk right up. Hey, maybe we could make stairs here. Okay. I don't get the plan. Okay, now woke up.
Oh.
Episode 6. Chimp's birthday. It's my birthday! It's my birthday! Hey guys! You're invited. Hello, Chimp. What are you doing? It's my birthday. Seriously? We just adopted you. Shouldn't that be your birthday? I had a birthday before I was adopted.
Meow.
She says, well, she says he's right. All right.
Meow.
But I don't know. I don't have any cake or treats. So I know someone that loves treats that could help.
Tweets.
Exactly. Now let's go find them. Episode 6. Special number 3. Spooky trails. Bum 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 bum. Hi guys. Hi guys. We're in the monkey family, and it's time for more.
Ow. Did you see that? It was like a rocket. Like that.
Oh. No, as I was saying, I could, Yeah, we could, Nobody, don't come back.
Hi. Could it really be?
Oops. Bum 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 bum.
What has happened? Hey guys. Hi guys. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Finally, we made it back. Spawny, you're the one pshing. But why? I only do that when I'm scared. And there's a giant cloud trying to pick us all up and take us to jail. Right above us. Ah! Episode 6. Episode 6. Savannah Escape. Roar! Did you hear that? It sounded like a roar! Yeah, like that. What was that? I don't know. What is a friend? And the good friend to help me with this is my good friend, Pangolin.
And me?
No. But we have to find that roaring sound. Fast. Roar! It's strong.
Maybe it's windus.
I don't think that's a baby lion. Roar!
Windus rules like that.
Oh. Hi.
We're from the monkey family.
Roar! Are you another lion orphan?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll name you
Maybe.
Nala. Now, do you want to join our family? Okay.
You named her Nala. She already has been named to Nala. She's from the Lion King.
Episode 7. When this is a really short episode due to this episode until I come upstairs. Got it?
Okay.
This one, at this episode, this guy will try to teach this guy how to talk. Go.
Time to talk. Talking lessons. Say hello. Meow. Okay, we're moving up. Say whoa. Meow. Meow. Okay, skip. Last one. Say monkey family. Meow, 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 meow. Okay. Moving up. Say goodbye. Meow, meow. Moving up. Say pillow. Meow, meow.
Episode. Okay, well, that went well. Episode 8.
Meow, meow.
The weird ice cream. And ice cream is a treat. B.
This one is scary because
No, wait, right there. Treat. Look, they think this is ice cream.
A treat. Okay.
Maybe you're in the screen. You have to go over here. They don't see it. I don't think that's a treat. Let's go see if Mom knows anything. Or Dad. Mommy!
Mommy, that's scary.
Mommy! Daddy!
Yeah.
We need you!
I see Daddy.
Okay, what now?
Dad!
Mm,
Look at that way.
you think that's a treat? That is not ice cream. It's just some sort of egg stuck in an ice cream cone.
Egg. It's still scary.
No, whatever's inside that egg can definitely fly. Yeah, whatever is inside that egg can definitely fly. Yeah, definitely fly.
Come on. I want to see what's in it.
We can't brush it when it's breaking. Wait, breaking?
Ah! Yeah.
It's a
Hi.
Yoshi. Yoshi can fly, that's why it kept flying. Here, you want to walk on me? Oh, it seems like this isn't an egg, it's a ship. Guys, this is his egg. Look. Hey, you can join the monkey family and be a pet.
Okay.
Come on, go into the kitchen.
Kick me.
Why?
Just do it. Meow meow.
Yeah. That was odd. Episode 9.
After 9, it's 10.
Episode 9. Pac-Man Panic. Hi guys. Now I'd like to say something about this very important thing. This is a tail.
And he does this. Wheel, 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 wheel.
So just
Ooh,
what?
a lemon.
I don't think that's a lemon.
A lemon.
Is it a treat?
Lemon.
Maybe it's a treat.
Lemon.
Hold on, that thing is definitely not a treat.
It's a lemon.
It's a Pac-Man.
It's a
Look
lemon.
out!
It's
It's
a
gonna eat you.
lemon.
But what is it running away from?
Goat. Hi. That's these still mine.
Hey, we are nice ghosts. Can we be in your monkey family? Well, then why are we chasing our friend Pac-Man? We weren't chasing him. He was trying to get us here. Oh, well. He can also be in the monkey family. He likes that idea, huh? You could all be pets. You like that idea, don't you? Now, come on, let's stack up. Get it? Stack up. Bye, guys. That way to the kitchen. That's nice. episode.
Last episode.
For this episode. It's the last video in this episode. It's not the last one we're ever going to make, but...
Last episode. Cody, don't play with that.
Dragon shooter.
Don't play with it.
Ah! That's what I call critical bounce. Does this guy want to be in the monkey family? Hey, Pango can protect us. Everyone behind Pango! Come on, Pat Pango's can behind Pango. You'll be safe.
Behind it?
Ah, there are too much of us.
Whoa.
I think this guy wants to play.
Hi.
Hey, look, he's a dragon, and dinosaurs and dragons are kind of the same. Maybe Yoshi could talk to him. You bet. Yay. And
He
there.
speaks English.
Yeah, that's cool. Well, that egg is rolling around places.
No, it's
I'm
the
going to the
last.
store, okay?
Bye.